Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Olymp. To read, we click on settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here in this list you will search about the application of Olymp to read and you will enter. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about Olymp to read and you will enter. If you find update here, then you will update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.